You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Yesterday in my previous video, we were talking about this very bullish candle that was very full bearish candle around this area yesterday, and the market was around $34,000 approximately. But what we see right here is the candle right here turned bullish, which is also very significant for us right now as traders. If you look at the 4-hour chart, market is about retracing in relation to the Bitcoin dominance at this area. The same thing on the ETH. We did not see enough move on ETH, reason being that market was going aggressively to the upside right here. So right now, what are we expecting in the market? Is the market going to turn back right down to this very level or pierce from here to the downside? And what is the impact that this will create on the Bitcoin chart and the ETH chart right here as well? So all of these and more in today's video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content and watch the video till the end. If you come right there to the one-day chart on Bitcoin, the Bitcoin stochastic right there is still at the oversold condition, about crossing this very 20% mark. And if it's happen, what we want to see to confirm this very rejection candle we see right here is a bullish candle to the upside. If we can see a bullish candle to the upside, then that also means that markets have capacity of coming back into the $44,000 and $43,000 at this very strong resistance level. You also have to understand that market did not longer create a new low, not a previous low, if we see this candle turn bullish. So this is what I am looking out for right now on BTC one-day chart at the moment. So this is a very strong support. It's a support right here. This was the very low after the full downtrend to this very area. So a bullish candle to the upside will make the market to come back into this area. And also, if you look at the stochastic, if this happens, that will enable the stochastic to come out of this oversold territory into this region around this area. So this is very important as we see this rejection candle right now, which also signifies that the bulls are very strong around the area, and they were capable of moving the market to the upside with an insane bullish move that has a lot of volume around this very area. So this is what I am looking out for right now on BTC USDT one-day chart. If you come back here to the 4-hour chart at this point, we see the market come back right down into this area to create a new low, lower than the previous low, which is a clear downtrend for us. But right now, what we see after yesterday pump is the market creating a new high, this very high right here. Not only that, we see the market close above this, very close around this area. So we see this close here, market here close above the close around this very resistance level. This is also very significant. If you look at the way market was moving right down, market have not closed above a lower high before from this very region to the downside, but this is the first time from here we are seeing the market closing above a high at this very point. So this also signifies that the bulls are very strong around this area and they are willing to move the market to the upside. So right now, what I am looking out for on the immediate short term right now is that the market will retrace back down a little bit to the $38,000 and $37,000 before we see the market move again to the upside. So this is what I am looking out for right now, a retracement to the downside before the market move up again, or we could possibly see market consolidate within this area before we see market move up again from this very area of strong resistance. So this is what I'm looking out for right now on this very BTC USDT 4-hour chart. If you look at it also on the Bitcoin dominance, the Bitcoin dominance chart is on a very strong resistance. So we have resistance right here that is forming resistance at this area. What I am looking out for on this very chart right now is the market to go back down and maybe retest this level of resistance. We see resistance here that will turn support at this point before market will move up again. If we see the market coming back right down, Bitcoin will not have the capacity of just moving straight to the upside. It will come down with it a little bit before we see markets go up again from this level of $37,000. So this is what I am looking out for on Bitcoin on the immediate short term. ETH USD right here, we see this very strong rejection candle that make the market to go back into this very strong support level at this very area. And then what I am looking out for right now is the market to form a bullish candle that will confirm that this very bulls that move the market to this area, they are still very strong to push the market to the upside. Not only that, we see the stochastic right here is still at oversold condition, and then we want the market to come out of this oversold condition to the upside, crossing the 20% mark around this area, which will also signify a strong bullish move to the upside after we see the market form a bullish candle on this very formation. This is what you should be looking out for right now on the ETH USD chart because of this rejection candle. If you look at Ethereum from the 4-hour chart perspective, Ethereum have not created any new high. Bitcoin dominance is still moving to the upside, and we see a pause right here on the Bitcoin dominance. So right now, what I am looking out for on Ethereum is a retracement to the downside. That means as market begin to retrace, I also want to see retracement coming into the market before market will possibly move up again. Right now from this area, this is a very strong support line, and market is getting resisted from this very area to the downside. So we could possibly see the market come back right down before we see this move go up again in this formation. So this is what I'm looking out for right now also on ETH. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart very well, I talk about if markets move drastically to the upside and then we see a pause and the market come back down, we'll see aggressive move to the upside. If you look at that on Bitcoin, that's the exact same thing we see here on the BTC USDT and a little bit of it on Ethereum at this very point. So if we continue to see the market come back right down, that will also mean that market on Bitcoin will also come back right down a little bit, and then Ethereum will come back down with it. Now, if we see markets consolidate here, like or range within this area, we will see move a possible massive bullish momentum to the upside on Bitcoin and also on ETH. Or if we see consolidation within this area, we are also going to see a massive move also on Bitcoin and also on ETH USDT at the moment. So this is what I am looking out for right now. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.